there would have been instances where you came across this challenge for port already in use. Basically, port already in use is just an indication that some another process, another servers, or another application on the system is utilizing that port you are trying to use. You must have gone through some workarounds, searching on internet, or maybe trying with the exact hit, or you must have changed the port to another port to just get your application started. React application, Python application, various kinds of applications are there. Uh, Scope is very large. Application can be there, Docker can be there, a single service can be there. We'll not go into that. But this video brought you a concrete solution for all of your problems regarding port already in use, specifically in Linux systems. So without wasting time, let's deep dive into the simulation where I'll be simulating the challenge, a scenario where you will be having a application utilizing a particular port, and at same time another application will be requiring that port. So here we will be seeing how we are troubleshooting, how we are taking steps to get that resolved. So this is Nishan Maheshwari. Welcome to DevOps Maheshwari. Let's deep dive in. This is a server I created for you guys only. So we are having two Flask applications. Both are having app.py. 5000 port is required for both. Let's go to first one. Okay. Basically a Flask application just running on port 5000. So let's start this. Cool. We have started this. So this is the output. Let's do that. Let's start this in background. Cool. Now we are seeing that our application is not running. This is also another application. See, 5000 is already in use. So what shall we do? Shall we increase it to 5001, 5002, or change to another port? This is not a right solution, specifically in production. So we'll be going through a set of commands in Linux to just find this. So first of all, let's not find a port. Let's find a background job. See, this job is utilizing this Flask application, and this is running on 5000 port. So we are not seeing from here. Let's find. Here will be a Python process. Must have a Python process. So what this command does, so in top maybe the process is having low priority, so it is not being displayed, but we have just found the process ID of that and just grabbed over the processes we are having. So you can see this Ubuntu is running this app.py. So first of all, this is the initial step we took. This is a job. If there may be not an instance where this is a job or some another session is running this, so you won't be able to find this in this way. So I'll give you a traditional way to find this. So we will be using a socket command here. Sudo -t for TCP port, because we are looking for a TCP port. We are also looking for a UDP port. Number of the port, local, PIDs. So okay, sort of ports are there. You can see here 5000 is the one. We could have also done this grep is used to find the exact word you are looking for a particular output. See, and this 3912 is the same PID we found here. So consider this as a step 1. We could have also checked using list of files, list of open files. So is the command -t -i directly writing the port. Yeah, see, we saw that. What if we don't want the PID? We just, yeah, again same. So it just showed us that yeah, TCP is listening on 5000. So you found that yeah, the application I'm trying to run need to be get utilized by this port, and no such another service should utilize this port. So maybe this can be a fault. So how to get rid of that? These instances occurs when you intermittently deploy your applications, or the state of session is corrupted, or the state of session is exited, and you were not able to chase that. So in those such type of scenarios, you face such issues. So basically the simple command is to kill this. Just sudo pki this PID. That is skill basically, not pkill. Pkill is used for exact process name. We could have also used Python 3 for that. But yeah, we are killing a specific process that is utilizing our port. So if we will do in this way, it will gracefully terminate the application. Suppose you don't want to gracefully terminate your applications instantly, you want to kill this application. So this is the kind of force kill I'm using. This is a flag. Let's go to those commands, then no output. That is killed. No output. Now let's try to start our app.py. Hey, you can see that we got that. So this applies to various applications, not to this only Python applications. Suppose your Docker is running on port 22 and SSH has to be run on port 22. That might conflict. You initially saw that. But you suppose there's a service running on port 80, there's a Docker service, and you left that. Again, you tried to run another service using port 80, that is a legitimate service, and at a work requirement, you urgently need that. You saw that, yeah, that port 80 is already being utilized. How it is? So these are the sort of steps you have to follow. So in this video, I've given you concrete steps to go over to debug the issue and to apply the fix whatever you want. So stay tuned for such videos.